reaching for the stars. This for my 4 10 o'clock count niggas. Who got the wine under they bump? Allah let my niggas free. Allah let my niggas free. I see the same thing in them and me. I see the same thing in them and me. Woo! I see the same thing.
Hills have eyes, the hills have eyes.
His spirit moving, His presence ever near. That's how I know He's real. In my heart I feel. That's how I know that God is real. Yeah, once more
I hear it in my sleep sometimes.
See y'all can see the sign of my glow. Nice. Hey yo, I never gave a fuck, never will. Hit him 18 times, she did a windmill. My nigga wrote me, said he heard him out here killing shit. I put $1,000 on his book. Hey yo, we're trying to sucking Bosky out dick up in the spot. 100-round drums, fuck around and get shot. Staring at the turquoise Maryland. Told my little nigga back 20s how I'm imperative. 40 in the John undercovers. The cane doing numbers. Lose my work whipping. I leave your brains in the oven. Splash paint on my Christopher Kane jumper. Crashed the Hussein. I copped the plane last summer. The watch plain Jane, but it's still called 60. Ran up in the spot, stole bass, King Griffey. Bloodstained purges, wide bodies got curtains. Texas jam, I just left this shit worthless. The Lord library, trying to get time off. Praying 5 times a day, trying to get 5 off. Crushed Doritos on this wheat, rice, and turkey log. I wore my boots to the shower, razor tucked in my jaw. Ay yo, I never gave a fuck, never will. Hit him 18 times, he did a windmill. My nigga wrote me, said he heard him out here killing shit. I put $1,000 on his books, look.
Could've told my story on Oprah, 60 minutes. How I earned plenty digits from risky business. What you know about a stick, gotta sit for Christmas. Wifey on shit, that bitch missing visits. Cause we was stretching white like Richard Simmons. Caught a case, and the nigga played the 5th Amendment. Yeah, you know the wit be rented and bricks be in it. And I'ma get this chicken to my clique, get sentenced. I need a stash in the wall that hold 90 pies. Word to me, I've been live since 95. Took a trip to get the bag like 90 times. Yeah, you got it from your plug, but it's probably mine. All I needed was a trap spot, skeleton plate. I ended up on a flat cot, sell upstate. Now I really need a black Glock, shells in a tank, yeah. The shit'll get uglier than Welvin the Great. D's kick man paid 10 stacks just to blow trial. Now me calling home, telling the crew to slow down. I'd be rich if I knew then what I know now. Living with regrets and I'm still willing to bear it. Cause the shoe fits and I'm still willing to wear it. It's hard being a family man with interference. All the women in them trips to prison ended my marriage. I grew up with a few damn crooks that bake work up. We used to have food stamp books and case workers. Me, I'm way further from a place you ain't heard of. When you get rich, die trying to face murder. When your best friend start to switch when the case surface. Where it's hard to trust the man who ain't nervous. I fell asleep with 50 grand in a locked apartment. That night I had a dream like Dr. Martin. Woo. Yeah.
I hear it in my sleep sometimes.
See, y'all can see the sign of my glow.
Make him say that I'm God.
Rom, nice.
Big money, big money, big money,
big money. Hey, 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 hey. You got big money. You got fancy cars. Everybody know you. It's like you a trap star. You're breaking down bricks, chopping up O's, breaking down bricks.
Let me tell you how life been.
Static selector.
Let me tell you how